Welcome everyone. We are looking at the perimeter of irregular shape today, and we'll be looking at the area of irregular shape as well. So now let's look at this shape. The question says we should calculate the perimeter of the figure below. And when you look at this figure below, it's an irregular shape. And of course, when you are calculating perimeter of any shape at all, perimeter is distance around the shape. Okay, the distance around a given shape can also be the total length of the boundary or border of any given shape. So in this situation now, to calculate the perimeter, we have to add all the length of this shape together. But then you have to look at it very well. You see that some parts of the length are not given. For instance, from here to here is not given, here to here is not given, here to here is not given, so here to here is not given. So the first assignment you have to do is for you to figure out what the length that are missing are. Okay, let's look at this place. From here to here is not given, and so since here to here is 2, here to here is going to be 2, and of course from here to here is the same thing as here to here. So right here is going to be 2 centimeters. So the next is to look at this place that is not given. From here to here is 4 centimeters, and so from here to here will be 4 centimeters as well. Likewise, here to here is 4 centimeters, here to here will be 4 centimeters. And so when this place is opposite and equal to this side, and so this side is going to be 2 centimeters as well. So you have found the length of the boundaries. So the next thing to do is to find the total of the length. So let's begin from these two. So perimeter now equals to 2 plus 2, plus 4 here, plus 10 plus 2 plus this 10 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4, which is this, then plus 2, then plus 4. Okay, right. So now that you have added all the length together, if you come to this place and you add together, 2 plus 2 gives you 6, plus 10 gives you 16, plus 2 gives you 18, plus 10 gives you 28, plus 4 gives 32, plus 2 gives 34, plus 4 38, plus 2 40, and plus 4 gives 44. So the perimeter of this shape is 44 centimeters. All right. So the next is to move on to area of that same shape. Remember that the last time we found the missing length. Okay, we found this place to be 2, we found this place to be 4, this place to be 4, and of course this place to be 2 because it's equal and opposite to this length. Right, so now we are to find the area of this irregular shape. What we'll do is to divide this shape into regular shapes. And of course, when you look at it very well, you can divide it into 2 rectangles. So you can call it A and B. Right up here, you can have a rectangle, and down here, you can as well have a rectangle. And remember that area of rectangle is length times breadth. So let's bring out this first shape up here. The length is 10 and the breadth is 2 and the length is 10. So the area is length times width, and length times width is 10 times 2, which actually going to give you 20 centimeters squared. So let's bring the second shape out, which is B. The breadth is 2 centimeters and the length is 10 because here is the length 4 plus 2 plus 4, so that's going to give you 10. And so you can find the area to be length times width. Now of course it's going to give you 10 times 2, which is 20 centimeters. Now the total area now is for you to add the area of the shape A and the area of shape B together, and that will give you the area of the whole shape. And so you can have 20 centimeters squared plus 20 centimeters squared, and that gives you 40 centimeters squared. And so the area of the whole shape is 40 centimeters squared. That is how to go about finding the perimeter and the area of the regular shapes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.